Yun.
Okay. Mapalaban tayo dito ah.
Okay. Oh, yes, yes, back. Yes, okay. Sige. Yeah, I'm gonna do
Magsa-support na
damages.
lang ako.
Mag-A-game ako. I gotta use my A-game. Yes!
Okay.
My players. Ito mag-chat.
Sige.
Thank the Lord. Players.
Sige, support na ako.
Ay, may
Players
support
to
tayo.
eh.
So, may tayong dalawang support. Okay, so you and this guy yung three. Si Groot. Si Grover.
Si Groot.
Tara mo.
Yeah, kamukha niya si Groot.
Pero pangalan niya si Grover. Pangalan niya. Yes, finally, we met players. I lost faith eh. Kaya to. Let's do it.
Sige. No front line.
Gamit niya si Genos. Oh, so
Ay,
we have...
bakit puro support tayo? Mag-frontline kayo eh.
I'm rusty in and my front line is, wait lang. Nag-lock na ako eh. Okay na.
Yeah, ako din eh. Sige, yan mo na.
Okay, what's in front line? This is good. What's in front line, no?
Sige, go.
So, not bad, we have two supports. Okay. Yes! See that? These are real, usernames, so. Yun yung sasabi ko.
Okay.
We got
So,
this.
mag-i-ease na tayo.
Record mo kaya to? Or still late na?
Well, I'm actually recording kanina pa.
Let's go. Okay. Let's go. Ang pump-up.
Mataas ng level ng isa. 16.
Kasama na or enemy natin?
Enemy. Yung
Enemy? Oo si Ricky Colonel.
Yep.
I don't know this character. Bago to. Oh, lang, meron tayong level 7, level 8. Alam mo sila, mga level 0 sila. So these are brand new players din. Let's crush them.
Yep.
Kinesa, okay. Yung delikadong player, alam ko si Androxys eh. Very close combat fighter siya.
Okay.
Yung may pistol, revolver. But if he's new, I'm assuming he doesn't know how to play him yet. So, basta hindi niya alam how to play him, we'll be fine.
Dalawa naman, 3 naman yung mga level 0. So, bugbugin natin sila.
Yep, to do it.
Tagal, na-excite na ako.
I know, right? Patanan ako eh. I think it's good we fought AIs muna so we can learn how to play the game again. Or ako.
Magic is the culmination of
Let's
art and
go.
science, the very essence of this realm.
First mode oh. First mode. Let's go. We got this. Ayun, hindi tumata na.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And so it begins.
This is deathmatch.
Okay, so parami ng kills.
Yes, so. Fuck. Go.
I'll have to study this to improve my Vivify spell.
Oh shit, basta no.
Grabe, ang hirap. Hindi na ako sanay.
I'm dead. Okay.
Wala tayong masyadong damager eh.
No, I got one.
Oh, dang it. Parang tayo mabubugbog dito ah.
Ito. We gotta get our bearings. Yan, remember, stick with us para maki-heal ka.
Okay.
Not let go.
I'm dead. Fuck you.
Enemy double kill.
Fucking hell. Fuck, I'm dead. Wala.
Shoot! Nalaglag ako sa map, putik.
Enemy sage.
Fuck. Gano'n mo ba yung to? Tangan ng yun, Kinesa. Oh my god, we're getting annihilated here.
Yup. May level 16 eh. Enemy savage, no? Oh,
Ay, dead.
shit.
Gotcha, asshole.
Yun, I got one, finally.
Enemy killing spree.
Saan na?
Enemy double kill.
Tangina mo, fucking gotcha, revenge. Yung best mo napatay po, tangina mo. Fuck.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Enemy rampage.
Oh my god.
Oh, I'll have to study this.
Ah, we
to
lost
improve
this
my
fight.
unified spell.
Yep, for sure.
Feel alive. Knowledge is not a threat.
Killing
Fuck.
spree.
Oh. Hirap pa.
Yeah, alright.
Okay
Oh
lang,
my
at
god.
least.
Yeah, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Yeah.
Players.
Here we go.
Yun. Player lit.
Team deathmatch.
Deathmatch,
So-
okay.
Select a
Sige, pit
champion.
tayo. No support, no frontline. Sige, okay, we have one damager. Sige, pa-frontline kaya ako.
Evie.
Sige. Try ko lang.
May support
Like
na ba?
isa lang.
Meron na, no?
Yeah, everyone, you and this guy, si Jungkook.
Jungkook ang potek na yan.
Yeah, ano siya, K-pop fan. You know, level 26, that's what I'm talking about. Si Corvus.
Customize your champion.
Oh. Try
God,
ko lang
please
tong
don't-
si ano,
Please don't suck.
Evie. Siguro naman hindi. Level 26 na siya eh.
No, ako.
Ah.
The first time, kasi bagong character to eh. I don't know this guy. May kaaway ka o EB din. Ano siya? I guess he has
Naka-skin. Oo.
ano siya? Parang Harley Quinn siya.
Oo.
We have Bae, okay. May tiwala ako kay Jungkook and kay Namongyel.
Kaya nila yan.
Come
Buhatin
Walang
na lang
kill
nila
natin.
tayo.
Take down all
Enforcer.
the people she hates. Not you, of course.
Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let the battle begin.
Okay, deathmatch ulit to, no?
Yep.
The battle is about to begin. First blood.
Yes! First up, akalo. Fuck. I'm dead. Wala, I got him though. Nakapatay ako isa, nakapatay isa. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine.
Nice. Oh, I'm dead.
Okay itong character to ah. Bring out, bitch! I'll bring you out, putang ina. Ay, putang ina. Fuck
I'm
it.
dead.
Galing niya, ginagamit niya yun. Paano? He's pushing me away. Push niya away ako, putang ina. Ang galing niya mabahay na, putang ina. Ang galing niya.
Yung lumilipad.
Hindi, yung babae may shield.
Rampage.
Fuck. Heal mo yun,
Hindi ako support.
fine. Okay lang. Sige.
Let me save you from yourselves.
Think ako kung mabahay, malakas to.
Enemy is
Nanunulak, no?
Oo.
killing.
I'm dead. Tangina. Oh god, I'm getting
Hirap
slaughtered
ah.
here. I know, right?
Enemy rampage. An enemy is
Let's fight!
Oh,
enemy killing spree.
Oh, I gotta practice that. Practice the AI later. Pala,
Oh.
really matro.
ang hirap pala pag players. Well, at least.
Sayang ka rin, nakalingat ang babae. Papalingat. Yes! Like, nakayeso. Wala. May kill ako isa. Let's keep practicing with the AI muna.
Oh, alamin muna natin yung mga characters.
Fuck you! Tangin mo, di ako payag, matalo mo, putangin mo. Fuck.
Is immortal.
Fuck, ang galing tong gagawin to. Magaling yung frontliner kaaway kong babae, yung red hair.
Oo, yung nanunulak.
Oo.
Tangay na parang ang kukunat ng characters nila.
Asa nga, you have no life playing this game all fucking day.
Biglang napikon.
Enemy is immortal.
Tangin ng Ash yan.
Hackers. Nagagawa na bigla. Hackers.
Napikon pala.
Defeat.
Oh my
Shit.
god, some bears. Okay, let's practice first ng AI. Tangin ng yan.